Right, guys, welcome back to another Tricks of the Trade with me, Tom Court, for some online coaching. And today I have got the 360 third person view again for you. And we're going to go over a standard straight air kite loop. This is intermediate kite loop, not really a mega loop, but a bit bigger than your standard low level kite loop. This is a straight air kite loop, and it just goes over some of the basic techniques, timings, and obviously with the 360 third person view you can see the kite and the board and the body, so I'm just going to talk you through that. Let's get into the straight air kite loop. Okay, so like with most tricks, the kite loop is no different. You need to have board speed over the water, and to make sure that you're going to get a clean takeoff, because this is vital so that you keep the timing and the line tension correct in the air. You want to come into this with speed, good riding position, and like you would do a normal jump, you input the kite first, then you go through your normal takeoff routine as if you would a regular jump. Steer the kite up, sheet out, then sheet in on the takeoff, edge in with your heels, use that upper body weight to resist the pull of the kite. Sheet in as you take off. At this point the kite is going up to 12. It's very important that you don't fly the kite further back than 12 at this point. Then as you take off, you rise as if you would a normal jump. You just give the kite a second or a half a second, a moment to continue going up as you go up too. And then as you get close to the zenith or just after the zenith of the jump, really pull the trigger on that kite loop. It's really important to make sure that you commit to that kite loop and really steer the kite. Don't try and think, I'll do this slowly because it will be better. It is not better. Commit to that trigger pull, and at this point you will be starting to descend, but the pull of the kite will pull you downwind. It's really important that you know that the kite is going to pull you downwind, because as you lower that landing gear, you want to have that board facing directly downwind, so whatever happens, you can land on the water and take that speed that's generated from the loop with your board. At this point, the kite will be flying back up again as you're swinging into the landing. Land with that board downwind, keep that kite flying up to 12 and stomp it and ride away.